Welcome to this comprehensive guide to implementing an effective ISO 9001 quality system. Throughout this video, we will explore key elements including ISO 9001 standard analysis, management review, system planning, continuous improvement, choice of certification body, staff training, maintaining certification, process mapping, and quality manuals, as well as internal audits. The first phase is to understand the requirements of ISO 9001. This involves studying the standard in detail and identifying interested parties. Clearly define who your stakeholders are and what their needs entail to ensure successful implementation. System planning is critical. Set clear and measurable goals for your organization and develop a detailed implementation plan that outlines each step of your approach towards compliance. Staff training is essential for ISO 9001 compliance. Organize training courses for your team on ISO requirements and promote a culture of quality throughout your organization. Process mapping is vital. Work with mapping groups and process engineers to create flowcharts that define activities and actors. Break down complex points with operating instructions and identify forms to be used. Document your system with a comprehensive quality manual that illustrates the entire ISO 9001 system. Regular internal audits are fundamental. Establish an audit program and analyze results to identify opportunities for improvement and ensure your quality system remains robust. Management review meetings are conducted to evaluate the effectiveness of your system. Use these sessions to make strategic decisions based on the review results. Continuous improvement involves detecting and analyzing nonconformities in your system and implementing corrective actions to drive ongoing enhancements. Selecting an accredited certification body is a key step in the certification process. Prepare thoroughly for the final audit to obtain ISO 9001 certification. Maintaining certification requires periodic surveillance audits and continuous documentation updates to ensure sustained compliance with ISO 9001 standards. A detailed analysis of ISO 9001 principles such as customer focus, employee involvement, process management, continual improvement, and risk management is essential. Understand the high-level structure and key terminologies. Ensure your quality policy reflects objectives and expectations, and document all processes that influence product and service quality. Management support is critical for success. Carefully identify stakeholders, including customers, employees, suppliers, and regulators. Gather and analyze their expectations to integrate them into business objectives and procedures. Stakeholder analysis is vital for a customer-centric approach and for considering all parties who can influence or be affected by the organization. Set clear, measurable quality objectives that reflect your organization's vision and mission. These should be specific, achievable, and communicated throughout the organization. Use key performance indicators such as defect rate, delivery times, and customer satisfaction to monitor and improve performance. Draft a detailed plan that includes defining quality objectives, optimizing processes, creating and managing documentation, training staff, and performing internal audits. Effective implementation ensures compliance with ISO 9001 and supports continuous improvement. Document your quality management system with a quality manual and system records. Use flowcharts to map processes, work instructions for consistency, and forms to record information. This structure ensures compliance and provides clear guidance for all involved. Begin by identifying key processes and their interrelationships. Create procedures, work instructions, and records that meet ISO 9001 requirements. Use the PDCA cycle for process improvement and tools like Six Sigma for detailed analysis. Collaborative mapping increases efficiency and customer satisfaction. Flowcharts provide a visual representation of processes, clarifying activities and actors. They help identify risks, inefficiencies, and quality control points. Detailed flowcharts facilitate understanding, planning, and improvement of processes. Work instructions give detailed guidance for performing specific tasks, ensuring consistency and compliance with quality standards. They are concise, easily understandable, and can be updated independently for greater flexibility. Identify and number forms for process analysis and data recording. Forms must be clear and adaptable to the organization's needs, supporting risk-based thinking and effective document management in line with ISO 9001:2015. Draft a manual describing the quality system. While not explicitly required by ISO 9001:2015, it is useful for documenting your QMS. Define the scope, process interactions, and list procedures. The manual should reflect your organization's specifics and be regularly updated. Organize ISO 9001 training courses covering principles, requirements, and audit skills. Training helps staff understand, implement, and maintain the quality system, supporting compliance and driving continuous improvement. Promote a culture of quality by investing in training, management development, and interactive learning. A quality culture leads to better process management, problem-solving, and continuous improvement, resulting in increased employee satisfaction and competitiveness. Establish a program of regular internal audits to assess compliance with ISO 9001 and identify areas for improvement. Audits must be planned, managed by qualified personnel, and results communicated effectively to drive corrective action and continuous improvement. Evaluate audit results to verify compliance and effectiveness. Communicate findings, manage corrective actions, and maintain documentation to ensure the quality system continues to improve and meet standards. Conduct management review meetings to evaluate the quality system's effectiveness. Analyze various aspects such as customer feedback, risks, and performance to ensure the system remains adequate and integrated into company processes. Use review meetings to make strategic decisions based on performance indicators and SWOT analysis. This ensures the quality system aligns with business objectives and supports continuous improvement. Detect and analyze nonconformities through audits, complaints, and process controls. Record, analyze, and address nonconformities to prevent recurrence and strengthen the quality system. Implement corrective actions using structured analysis. Develop plans with assigned responsibilities and clear deadlines, and document actions to ensure effectiveness and sustained improvements. Select an accredited certification body with sector expertise. Accreditation provides confidence in the certification process. In Italy, bodies like IMQ, CSQA, and CISQ play key roles in certifying quality and compliance. Prepare for the final certification audit by ensuring all processes are documented and staff know their roles. Conduct internal audits, review documentation, and close corrective actions to increase your chances of passing the audit. Maintain ISO 9001 certification through periodic surveillance audits. These audits verify ongoing compliance and identify improvement areas, address any nonconformities promptly to sustain customer trust and operational excellence. Keep your system documentation up to date to reflect any changes in processes or procedures. Accurate documentation supports compliance, staff training, audits, and continuous improvement, reinforcing your commitment to quality.